Thursday, May 25th. It's about 8 o'clock, and been going for a little bit, but we were hiking down from Bear Mtn. Camped up here last night, found a little stealth spot. Pretty sure you're not supposed to, but it was raining, and this is where we got to. So, kind of chilly this morning, mostly just because all my stuff is still kind of damp from getting rained on yesterday. But there was vending machines up top this morning, and so I got a vitamin water, and 2 of them popped out, so that was a bonus. Icebox got him a vitamin water.
Thank you.
Yeah, no worries. So plan for today to do about 19 miles, I think, and got a couple things coming up. Got the zoo, and then got like a deli market that's kind of located right on trail, and I'm gonna hit that up for resupply. But yeah, I'm gonna put this phone away so I don't trip on these stairs. It's really nice. It's like it's paved, these stone stairs, really nice little pathway. So good way to start the morning. But I'm gonna get my feet moving. Trail goes that way. You know what we do. Let's go. This little area shows you all the different types of trail building. So we got the open culvert, we got the stepping stones, and we've got the corduroy. Here we've got the bog bridge. So yes, I am actually walking on the AT, and trail goes that way. Let's go! So that is Bear Mtn up there. That's where I camped last night, kind of on the other side. Yeah, other side of that peak. But yeah, that's where I stealth camped last night, up there. Yeah, hike the AT? Shoot, anybody can do it. Let's go. So this is now the 3rd bear I've seen on trail. One was a little closer than this. One was a little further away than this. Both of them were much darker than this. Just popped out of the woods, heading into the Appalachian Market. They're open 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. And the trail was literally right over there. So it doesn't get more convenient than that. We got a "You Are Here" sign. I love those. Nice. Little ways to go. All right, so we are just leaving from right here. This was Jamie's place that he's renovating. He let us come by, take a shower, and do laundry. We met him over at the deli, and we're just talking and kind of talking about we were needing showers and laundry, and he offered up his place. So man, that was really cool. That really came in clutch. Sorry, I'm kind of backlit. Anyway, well, hey, that's the story. We're gonna swing back by the market, pick up another drink, and get a few miles in.